All right. So, guys, in this particular module, we are going to, continue with our steps related to integrating OIM with ServiceNow. So, in the previous module, we did a preliminary step of registering OIM with ServiceNow, and then generated the OAuth client ID and the client secret parameters. Yeah, I just copied the client ID, and of course, the client secret is a password field. So it's actually now hidden in it's not a plain text one. So I've just copied it, and I've just noted it down in my memory. I'm going to type the same thing when I do this for the IT resource. Okay, so uh, now we are going to begin with installing the connector for ServiceNow. Okay, so installation of ServiceNow connector. So this would be done on the OIM machine. Okay. So basically what I've done is I've just downloaded the connector file already from the Oracle page. Okay. So this step is going to be very similar to what we did in for Active Directory. So what we have to do is you have to just unzip the ServiceNow connector file. Okay. And then I just need to copy this entire thing. Okay, into the connector default directory. So you just go to C and then middleware home, then Oracle IDM1, and then you go to server, and then you go to the connector default directory. Yeah. So this is where we have put all the connector related files here for Active Directory, Exchange, and so on. Yeah. So let's see now. Hopefully, the connector installation step should be pretty simple and straightforward. So unless we face any challenges, uh, this shouldn't take much longer. Yeah. So let's see. Right now, the ServiceNow connector is already populated now, and now I'm just going to click on load. And since this is a fresh installation of ServiceNow connector, it says like it has no dependencies. Okay. Now, as soon as I click on continue, it should proceed with the connector library files, import of connector XML files, and adapter definitions. It should take roughly about less than 5 minutes, unless we get into some errors and all that. So let me just pause this video for a while, and then all right. So I think now the connector for ServiceNow has been successfully installed in OM. It just took a little close to about 5 minutes now, and so as you can see, like it has showed the various steps. I mean, it has done all these in the back end. So it has successfully completed all these sub steps within this connector installation. So after this, we are just going to validate some of the connector objects like resource object, whatever has been created, and then schedule task and all that, and then we'll be configuring the IT resource parameter for ServiceNow, and then we are going to move on from there. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys, for patiently looking into this video. Thank you.